Korozo, Hygiene Components for Life. Korozo Hygiene Components was established in 2006, operating under the roof of Korozo Group. Ever since we set out to build bridges for life, we touched many lives of all ages, inspired by the gentleness of a baby. Since then, we specialized in manufacturing of backsheets under Koro Cover brand, frontal tapes under Koro Loop brand, and side tapes under Koro Tape brand for baby diapers, adult incontinence, and feminine care products, all backed by the knowledge and experience we gained from Korozo Group. Operating from our plants in Chorlu, with a manufacturing site of 66,500 square meters, and in Cherkezkoy, with a manufacturing site of 12,000 square meters, we provide the most innovative solutions to meet the needs of the industry. We are one of the largest PE film manufacturer in our region. We have introduced smart production solutions to the industry using our state-of-the-art processes. We are inspired by the colors of life, and we focus on details. Providing different types of knitting options through our loop knitting production. Loop Knitting Unit is the know-how of Korozo Hygiene Components, which offers high-performance frontal tapes to the market. We have sales and distribution offices in Turkey, the UK, Germany, France, Belgium. We generate our own energy and recover solvents used in our processes to lower our impact on the environment. Our product portfolio continues to expand with environmentally friendly solutions. We offer bonding components for all generations. We work relentlessly to become an industry leader. But more important than that, we work passionately to touch more lives.